Hey people, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I am here with my favorite one and only Hungry Mom. Hi Mom.
Hello.
You're very cute today.
Oh, thank you.
Are you hungry?
I'm sort of.
Okay, I know that you happen to be a big fan of olives.
I love olives.
So I was on an airplane the other day and they gave us as a snack this little bag of olives and they're called Oloves. Oloves. Isn't that cute?
That is cute.
And this is a keto-friendly basil and garlic flavor, and this whole little pouch has 20 calories. It's an olive little snack pack. Isn't that unique?
That is cute.
Do you ever snack on olives?
Yes, I do.
Well, then this is like the perfect
I like
thing for you.
black olives.
Well, these are green. Uh-oh. Are you going to be open-minded and try a green one?
I'll do that.
Sniff it. Tell me what you think.
It smells like green olives.
Here, stick your hand in and grab an olive. No, I'll put it in your hand. I just washed my hands. 1, 2, 3.
I like it.
That's delicious.
It's an olive.
It's mild.
These are good.
These because there's a lot of garlic. Do you like garlic?
Yes, but I don't especially taste the garlic.
You don't?
It's
Well,
very,
don't kiss
very
anyone
olive-y.
after eating these, Mom. Good snack?
Good snack.
Do you love the olives?
I love olives.
All right. Check them out. Olives. Oloves. Basil and garlic. I bet they come in a lot of flavors. They're portion-controlled olives in a pouch. Very clever.
Yeah.
Thanks for tuning in. Say goodbye to the people.
Bye, everyone.
Hey, make sure you follow me for more taste tests with Hungry Mom.